We'll guide you through how to draw in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new file by clicking on the logo in the top left corner. Select File and New Design. This will give you a blank canvas to work with. Now, look over to the lower screen at the middle and select the Shape tool, which looks like a rectangle. You can draw basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines. If you want to draw more freely, switch to the Pen tool by clicking the pen icon or pressing the P key on your keyboard. The Pen tool allows you to create custom shapes by clicking to create points and dragging to adjust curves. To make your drawings more precise, use the grid view by clicking the logo again and look for View menu and selecting Pixel Grid, which helps align your elements neatly. If you need to adjust the size or color of your shapes, you can do this in the right sidebar under the Design tab. Simply select the shape and change its properties there. To add text to your drawing, click the Text tool or press the T key, then click on your canvas and type away. You can adjust the font size and color in the same right sidebar. Finally, remember to save your work frequently by pressing Command+S on a Mac or Control+S on Windows. Figma automatically saves your progress, but it's always a good habit to manually save too. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.